Hey friends, welcome back. As seen thumbnail and title, it is going to be like how to wake up early in the morning video, guys. So you might be like you might be college student, working professional, like you might be following all kind of productive tips, but you might be missing this tip, guys. So waking up early in the morning is the best productive tip. Like no one can you will see miracle, guys. So even I'm a person like used to work late night, so I won't be get up early in the morning. So it's been a 1.5 year. I'm just waking up early in the morning and doing all tasks before 10 p.m. itself. So I have seen like so many benefits, miracle benefits in my life, guys. So I would recommend, I request those who are watching this video, start waking up early in the morning and do all the complete tasks, guys. I know it's difficult, so that's the reason I'm making this video to share a few tips which I've been following in my life to wake up early in the morning. So the tips and tricks which I got from he's founder of a company called Club Reform. So his name is Rishabh Jain sir. So I've been student to him. It's been 2 years I'm working with sir. So he's the one who just inspired me to wake up early in the morning. So even I did a course over there. So it's a success mastery course. He's a self-counseling class, so he just teaches what the benefits of waking in the morning, how to manage time. So I just learned every skills from him, guys. So I just want to thank to him. So because of him I just changed a lot. So that I just want to thankful. That's the reason I just said this about him, guys. Now so yes, guys, the first tip in my list is sleeping early, guys. So I know sleeping early as a student is a difficult task. So I'm going to share few tips how can a student can sleep early, guys. The first tip, cut down your digital devices, guys. So I'm not saying shut down your digital fully, just cut down your digital for at least 1 hour before you go to bed, guys. Let's say if you're sleeping at 11 p.m, just stop using any kind of digital devices at least by 10:30, guys. Just give half an hour break before your sleep cycle and before getting to bed, guys. Just give half an hour break to digital devices. So I know you might be not remembering this thing, so that's the reason just switch on your alarm and just save your alarm, guys. Just set the alarm for 10:30. So if you want planning to sleep at 11 p.m, just set alarm for 10:30 p.m. You just need to stop your work and you just need to ready for the bed, going to sleep, guys. I know if you're planning to work in a kind of, you just have a proper preparation, guys. So even for deep sleep, you just need to have a proper preparation. That's the reason you just need to remind yourself, you just need to remind yourself, just keep your alarm for 10:30. So if you want to sleep at 11 p.m, just keep your alarm for 10:30, just reminder for you just need to stop all kind of digital distractions to get you, guys. Why? Because you might be using digital gadget from morning, so you guys need to get some kind of your mind should be prepared for sleeping, guys. That's the reason this is the first tip I want to share. Just cut down digital devices before going to bed, guys. The second tip, so be sleeping early, just do meditation, guys. So I'm not saying about do long time meditation, just do 5 to 10 minutes meditation, or then others even you can do some inhale exhale exercises breathing exercises. Others if you want you can take cold shower, so it keeps mind fresh so that you can get a good sleep, guys. So these are the two things if you want to wake up early. So if you want to wake up early in the morning, first step is sleeping early, guys. So in the sleeping early you just need to follow these things to get a good sleep and go to bed early, guys. So the first step I want to request to you guys, just make a note. If you want happen, make a note these two things and just follow this thing, guys. So that's the first step, guys. I want to add on one more point on the first step, guys. So before going to bed, just make a to-do list in a paper. Why? Because you should have such kind of motivation motto before going to bed, I need to wake up early in the morning to do this task, to accomplish this task. So just make a note of the tasks which you want to do next day. Just make a note and just feed those things in your mind, so then sleep, guys, so that your mind will be revising those kind of things. So as soon as alarm works, you just wake up early in the morning, guys. So that's the reason I want to share with you. So follow these tricks, guys, and wake up early in the morning. Moving on to next step, guys. So wake up early in the morning. So the second step is, guys, so as soon as wake up early in the morning, don't choose digital devices, guys. Let me say as I have seen so many students as soon as they wake up early in the morning, they will be using some digital gadgets. Just cut down those as soon as wake up. At least you should give a gap of 30 minutes, guys. Just in 30 minutes, don't use digital devices. So as I said before, you are planning to do it at night. So as soon as waking up early in the morning, just freshen yourself, just look at a glance of the total list, guys. So what are things you need to do? So how are you going to accomplish time management that day? Just follow this thing as soon as wake up early in the morning, guys. So the second step I want to share with you, third step guys, so eat light food guys. So like you might be eating some kind of junk foods, you might be eating some kind of non-veg food before getting sleep. So just avoid those kind of food before getting to sleep. Why? Because like even you might be sleeping at 10 a.m. after 10 p.m. after having a heavy food, so you feel lazy to wake up in early in the morning guys. Why? Because like your body needs too much of energy to digest those kind of food guys. So as a reason, like just like avoid huge foods and junk foods before getting a sleep. Just take a normal food. And then even if you want to take milk, so milk is it's a lukewarm milk you can take, so it's a good source for getting good sleep guys. So even you can add turmeric or pinch of turmeric in the milk, so it feels good. You can have a sound sleep guys. So the third step I want to share, eat light food. So even if possible, like eat like before as soon as possible. Like if you want to sleep at 11 p.m, just try to complete dinner by at least like 7 p.m. guys. So complete as soon as possible and get ready for the sleep. So this is the third step I want to share with you guys to get a good sleep and to wake up early in the morning. The final step guys, so like even if you are following all the steps, you might be feel some kind of you might be like feeling lazy to wake up. So even all the following steps, you might be feel lazy to wake up in the morning. So this is a step guys, who like you might laugh at me when I say this step. So even I just started following this step from my first month, which when I started waking up in the morning. I used to place the phone, so there's a phone guys, I just place the phone over my, far away from bed. I just keep the alarm for at least for 10 alarms guys. So that why? Because like I just need to wake up in a bed and I just stop alarm guys. So like whenever like waking up in bed for switching off alarm, I start working. So I just wake up from bed guys. So that's the reason like this is a 4 step guys. Just like if you feel lazy even after following all the steps which I discussed before, just try this step guys. Just switch on alarm at least for 10 alarms. Let's say switch on for 5:40, 5:50. Just after giving a 10 minutes break, just switch on all the alarms and place your phone like far away from bed guys. So at least a 10 minutes gap between your sleeping position and the phone guys, so that you just need to wake up to just switch off alarms. So that's the reason I want to share. So just follow this 4 step guys to have today, as I said before. So even guys, so like there are few students like they just sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning. So like I won't recommend those kind of activities, because like you might be facing few health issues when you get older guys. Yes guys, that's it for today's video. Before ending the video, one small request from my end, make sure to follow me on Instagram, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos. So do subscribe guys, it keeps motivation for me to do more videos. So thanks guys, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you soon. Bye. Without much of it, let's get into video guys. Let's get into video guys.